Now, the trial that was supposed to start today is not the only case that involves Golubski. There's another federal case and some civil cases that name him as a defendant.
Fox 4's Crystal Martinez breaks down those cases, how it started, and what happens now. Crystal?
Well, the allegations in these different cases stem from Golubski's time working with KCKPD. He was with the department for 35 years before retiring in 2010. Most of the incidents victims are sharing took place in the 90s.
A lawsuit filed in 2018 helped bring attention from what went on in the streets of KCK into a court of law. The lawsuit alleged Golubski extorted sexual favors from poor black women and then coerced them into providing false evidence. The lawsuit was filed by Lamont McIntyre and his mother, Rose McIntyre, who says Golubski tried to force her into a sexual relationship, but when she refused, he framed her son for murder. McIntyre was released from prison in 2017 after serving 23 years for a murder he did not commit. In 2020, he received $1.5 million as compensation from the state of Kansas. 2 years later, in 2022, McIntyre settled a wrongful imprisonment lawsuit with the unified government of Wyandotte County for $12.5 million. That same year, Golubski was indicted on 6 counts of civil rights violations, accusing him of sexually assaulting black women and girls. He was arrested at his Edwardville home, but was granted house arrest because of his health conditions. Previous reporting states the judge required Golubski to wear an ankle monitor and was not allowed to have any firearms. He was only allowed to go to doctor's appointments, church, meetings with his attorney, and court hearings. A few months after his initial arrest, another criminal case involving Golubski. Federal prosecutors say he was involved in a violent sex trafficking ring that targeted troubled teenage girls in an apartment complex in Kansas City, Kansas in the 90s. Currently, there's a motion hearing set for 2025. And just last year, in 2023, 5 women filed a civil lawsuit against multiple people, including Golubski and the unified government of Wyandotte County. Those closest to the plaintiffs say the criminal charges were a catalyst, and the lawsuit expands on who's responsible for Golubski. The most recent civil lawsuit was filed in September. It too lists several defendants, including Golubski, and is over civil rights. The criminal and 2 civil cases remain open, according to federal court records.
Now, because Golubski was the only defendant named in the civil rights violations criminal case, the one that was supposed to start trial today, it is dismissed. There's no one else to prosecute in that specific case. However, we will continue to follow the other cases for updates. Crystal Martinez, Fox 4, working for you.